Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we're back with the green Mustang here, the 99 Cobra. Let y'all look at this. I've off camera I did do a third coat of paint, and I kind of had a happy accident, I guess you can say. I forgot to put my hood. When I was going to do the third coat, I was going to put the hood back on, paint the whole thing like that. But I forgot to put it on, and you can see I painted over what I painted black here, which is crazy because I taped this part off, but I forgot to do this part. But anyway, I'm kind of glad I did it because these pieces right here are supposed to be green, and this middle piece is supposed to be black. And before I had these painted black, so it's kind of like a little happy accident, I guess you can say. So I'm gonna try to leave these part green and just do this part black. So today, since I've got this painted already, it looks pretty glossy to me. So I'm not going to do a clear coat because it looks pretty good to me. As you can see, it's real glossy and looks pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and try to put some of the decals on, all the Cobra badges. What I really want to do is paint, well, it's going to be really hard to get these letters. I want to make these letters black. It's going to be really hard to do that. And I'm going to darken the tail lights, make those black. That's how mine are in my car. Also in my car, this piece is black. But it's going to be really hard to do. I'm going to very carefully have to. I can probably tape this off. But down here would be kind of tricky. But we'll see. I might just leave this green. Just do that. Just black out the tail lights. Try to get the headlights in. Also. But real fast, I'm going to show you this, the engine bay and the interior. I went ahead and put the engine in just to see how it was going to look. I got the dry shaft connected to the axle there and the transmission. And I wish I would have got this on camera because this was too long due to the different engine. So I had a cut. I took these little cutters here, and I cut right where the edge of that is right there. Cut that off, and I cut like just a little piece off, and then I glued it back together. And actually, it was like just right because you can see there's the oil pan. It fits right in there. I gotta fix this spot. It's a little white, some white paint right there. I gotta repaint that. But it fit in really good, as you can see. So I'll take all that in. Put the radiator in. There's the brake master piece there. I didn't have to put these in. It's like the windshield wiper pump thingy. I didn't have to do that, but I did it anyway. Just to make it look, just kind of fill up the engine bay. But it looks really nice in there. I'm going to put some decals. There's another decal I'm going to put right here. The air intake, I'm going to have to do a little differently. I did put this on the other day. I just kind of like put it on top to see where everything was going to be. And this piece right here, it'll focus for me. But this piece right here goes about right here, kind of like right up to this. And so it's gonna be difficult to get something in there, but I'm gonna try to get something in there to make it look complete, give it a complete look, you know. Like there's an air filter there, like an air intake there. So far, I'm really happy with the way this is coming out. It's hard to see, but you can see my little gauges in there. Kind of hard to see through in there. But anyway, let's get started on some of these decals. Before I do, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button so you can see more. I am thinking about doing after I'm done with this, I want to buy another one of these and do like a drag car build. Just make like a nasty race car look, you know, put like the pipes right here. Alright, go ahead and get started. I got these cut out already. The two little cobra badges. I got the SVT badge right there. Just do them hot water. While that's getting ready, I realize I got the front brakes on yet, so I'm going to go ahead and do the front brakes while we're sitting here waiting. The back brakes I'm going to redo. I didn't realize that they were crooked when I put them on there, so I gotta fix that somehow. So it looks like it goes like here, like a little notch that goes over. Make sure it's nice and flat, because that's what happened to the other one. It wasn't flat. It's because these pieces right here was hitting, like leaning against it, so it made it. Basically, looks like the tire's like stuck out way out here. I don't know, it's not going real good. What's the deal? Okay, it's flat. Alright, let's let that sit there for a minute. There. Okay. Oh, and then I got the, as you can see, I got the headlights over here to the side. I'm gonna put those in too. I found a Mustang. It's hard to see, but it's like right here. I was gonna stick on the back, but they're too small, so it wouldn't fit in there. It wouldn't look right. Alright, these should be done. I like to rub a little, a little water right there. There we go. Kind of difficult to do here. There we go. It's too much water. So, see if I can get this right on there. Get this Q-tip. Carefully press on it. Oh yeah, it's on there. As straight as I can get it. My light is being weird. Sorry guys. My light's been weird. So hopefully you can see that. Yeah, see how good that looks? Okay, on to the next side. In the past I've had trouble with I'll get one side done, I move to the other side, and well, where'd my thing go? Okay. And the other side will rub off on me as I'm trying to do it. Some water right there. Carefully. I need one of those little tools to help me out here. Oh, give me a second. Oh yeah, I'm gonna invest in one of those little tools. That helps me get them off. Uh-oh. Give me a second. Alright everybody, I went ahead and got the so I had some trouble with it, so I went ahead and got that on. If it'll focus for me, I got the SVT badge on with the forward badge. Started working on the headlights, got those in. So we gotta let everything dry real good. I got the brakes on in the front. And I'm going to get the exhaust on too while I'm at it. So here's the exhaust. I'm just going and stick it right there. Put some glue on it and stick it in right there. Alright, I got the exhaust on. I was worried at first if it would go in okay because of the new motor, the new engine I got in it. But it actually, as you can see, it goes in there pretty good. Came out really good actually. So, can't even tell the difference really. So let's let that dry. I did find a Motorcraft decal, but it was too big. I don't think it would fit on that little filter right there, so I'll just have to leave it the way it is for right now. But we're getting closer to getting this thing done.